Welcome to this next video. In our previous video, we had created a Databricks connector and we had given this Databricks connector a storage blob contributor access on our storage account. So next what we want to do, like if you go to our diagram, like we want to create a storage credential. So if you are coming from Azure Data Factory, like you can think of storage credentials like creating a linked service to a source, right? If you want to go make an analogy, right? So what we want to do, we want to connect to a storage account. So you can think of storage credentials as link service. That's we are going to create to that storage account, and external locations you can think of as data sets, right? This just an analogy, right? So we want to create these storage credentials and these external locations, right? So go ahead into your catalog explorer, right? Okay, if you are not in your catalog explorer, you can go ahead and click on this catalog, right? Then in the catalog, go to this minimize catalog, minimize data sharing, and go to external data. In the external data, you will find these three options: storage credentials, external locations, and connections. Go to the storage credentials, click on create credentials, right? Okay, so your Azure managed identity, right? Credential type, storage credential name, what I want to name it. I want to name it, let's say, what's our storage name? Let's name it similar to our storage name, right? This is our storage name. It's a credential to this, right? Correct. Okay. All right. Access connector ID, right? So go to your resource group. In your resource group, you have created this access connector, right? So go ahead and copy this resource ID. You will find it in this overview page. Under here, resource ID, go ahead and copy it and paste it here, right? All right. Nothing advanced options, no. Okay, so Azure managed identity, name it, provide the access connector ID, and then hit on create. All right, so it has created mini storage credential, right? So we can use this credential to connect to any container inside this storage, right? Okay, you can give different permissions here, right, to different multiple principals or user identities, right? Or okay, I want to limit a certain user who I want him to only read files, write files. You can use this, right? Okay, now we want to create an external location. So storage credential, as I said, we created a linked service, right, to a blob storage or ADLS account. Right now we want to create external location to a particular container, right? Okay, click on create location, right? Name, what is name? So let's go to our again to our storage account. In our storage account, click on containers. Okay, so name of a container is data load, right? So what we want to name is data load, right? It's fine, data load is fine, right? Storage credential, right? So what we have created this storage credential right now, right? Go ahead and click it. URL, right? Here you want to provide this URL to your storage to the container level, right? So I will write like this ABFS URL here. So it's like ABFSS, sorry, colon / right? ABA, then container name. What is the name of our container? It is data load, data LOAD, right? Verify it, data load, right? Oh, at the rate, what is the storage account name? Our storage account name is this, right? storage account name dot dfs dot